Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Modern Learning Overhaul Series. This is a series entitled The Pivotal Shift Towards the Future of Education and where we think education is headed in maybe the near future as we are all reacting to the global pandemic that's going on, the economic shifts that are going on, and just everything that's coming at education. So, what are we going to do to help prepare not only ourselves as teachers, but also our students for an unknown future? So this is a five-part series that I want to get into, and I'm going to outline each of these now, and then hopefully you'll stick around. This is going to be part one of those five videos in this series where I dive a little bit deeper. If you've attended any of the sessions that I've given at a local conference or a national conference on this pivotal shift towards education in general, then this is a more in-depth approach to each one of these sections. So if you want to, feel free to hop to any one of these. I'll put the link in the description of this video, and feel free to connect with me either on YouTube or Twitter, or shoot me an email, or even go on and check out my website, info.joshuakorb.com. For more information, more resources, and more templates that you can use for yourself as we start talking about the Modern Learning Overhaul Series. So there are going to be five sections that we're going to be talking about. One is going to be the modern architects. So that is going to be pivotal in this shift towards the future of education. You're going to need a core team of teachers, administrators that work together to make this influential shift within your district to bring modern learning to fruition for everybody to see, for everybody to touch, for everybody to feel and understand. It can't just be words on a page or words spoken at a presentation. It's got to be actionable. So having people work together that are a solid core group of individuals is imperative for this to be successful. So that's what the modern learning architects are designed for. So you'll hear a little bit about how me at my home district of Eastern New York School District in Wrightsville, Pennsylvania, what we did before this whole pandemic started and how we started taking those steps and how it accelerated this process. And then the next session, this next breakout session of the Modern Learning Overhaul Series would be the accelerated professional development and how we have to redesign and rethink what professional development looks like. We redesign what education looks like every day for our students. So why not turn that and flip the script for our teachers as well? So in that series, or in that video of this series, we start talking about professional development for our teachers and how we're going to shift that and model modern learning for them as well. The learning plan video of this series is going to focus on the central part of what makes modern learning tick, and that is these modern learning plans, which really put students in control and students in the driver's seat of their education. And we'll talk about the various parts and how we can sort of build up slowly to those and not just jump right in to these advanced learning plans or playlists without getting our feet wet first. So we'll talk about learning plans in that third video of this series. The fourth video is you have all these digital resources, you have all these things together. So what now? So the question is, what do we do with all this stuff that we have hosted online? Where do we put it all? So designing well thought out and well put together digital ecosystems and providing tools for your staff and your students and your community, your parents, everybody involved, all the stakeholders. So everything is transparent, everybody knows what's going on is really important. So digital ecosystems are going to be imperative as well. So how do we create those and what is involved? So we'll give you a brief little overview in that fourth video of this series. And then lastly, where we are with our mastery badging system that I developed and what we are using at Eastern New York and how that is really game changing how we are reporting all these amazing things that we have going on and how students are reacting to the learning plans that we have in place. So this is the pivotal shift towards the future of education in the Modern Learning Overhaul Series. So stick around, take a look at each one of these videos in the series, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Korb. Let's check some of these out.